अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे थे इरशाद का मल्टीमीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में हूँ आपका मेज़बान यावर। आज पुलवामा ज़िले के निवा इलाके में CRPF 183 बटालियन की तरफ से एक मुफ्त टीबी कैंप का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें निवा और उसके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों ने बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लिया। इस कैंप में CO CRPF 183 बटालियन के साथ साथ बाकी अफसरान भी मौजूद रहे। इस दौरान मकामी लोगों ने CRPF 183 बटालियन का शुक्रिया किया। मज़ीद देखें बाकी की इस रिपोर्ट में।
Actually, this medical civilization program is organized as per our plan, because CRPF, wherever we are deployed, some civilization program is allotted to each unit for organizing various types of civilization program in the form of organizing this medical civilization program, darshan karna, or some tournament, and sometimes we used to construct some sort of toilet and bathroom for the poor and needy people, like orphan schools, and where there is school having no toilets for the girls. And likewise here too, after ascertaining in the ground by my company commanders that here too better to organize medical civilization program. Accordingly, I have taken up the case with my senior ops officers, and they have allotted me for carrying out this medical civilization program. And this medical civilization program started from morning, around 8, and there's a good response so far. People keep on coming here, and here too, I have inquired on ground that people are here having some medical problems where they are not able to get timely treatment, and here too we are extending this kind of medical camp on free of cost. And my unit medical officers and 2 doctors from the civil hospital are provided with me, and including the pharmacists and medical assistants. So we will be carrying out this kind of program in the coming days also, as per requirement, because CRPF, as you know all, that we are here for the public services. So our focus would be to attend to the needs of the local people, and our seniors officers, the DIG and IG, ADGP, here in Kashmir Valley are all focusing on the, survey the area where the needs of the public would be attended to by extending this kind of civilization program in all area where CRPF is deployed. We are coordinating with the villages also. As per their requirement, we are meeting all these actions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.